Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your call logs and filter out all the informations and get to know much better. So let's go to call logs, and as you can see, you will be able to see the call informations, and it will usually show the information based on the first call you did this month. If you click on the created ad, which will change the arrow down, it will give you the latest call informations, and you're able to see from the duration, the person, the phone number, and the receiver, and which assistant you used. With that, you also have the filter on the dates from to when. You also have other filters such as the minimum durations, the maximum durations, and the statuses of what the call was it connected, not connected, direct calling, voicemail left started or voicemail left, and also the type. Was it an inbound call or an outbound call, and everything. And it doesn't just stop there. If you click on any of the row, you are able to see more additional informations. You can hear the recording, you can see the summary here itself, and also you are able to see the transcript. So let me check another one. Just a second here. And if you click on chat, you are able to go to a different page. You are able to see the chat information on the conversations on your TwinsAI applications. And if you go to click on CRM, it will route you to our internal CRM, where you are able to see more information on there. Thank you.